What if the future of electric cars already exists, and most people completely missed it? This glossy pink Tesla Model 3 Highland looks luxurious on the outside, but hidden underneath is some of Tesla's most advanced engineering yet. From the futuristic minimalist interior to the AI-driven technology and redesigned performance system, this isn't just another EV, it's Tesla, showing where the entire car industry is heading next. And in the next 3 minutes, you'll see the details almost nobody talks about. Today we're taking a close-up look at the 2027 Tesla Model 3 Highland, one of the cleanest and most futuristic electric sedans Tesla has ever produced. From the ultra-modern dashboard layout to the premium seat design to the surprisingly advanced engineering hidden beneath the hood, this car represents where high-value automotive manufacturing is heading next. First, let's talk about the exterior design. Tesla has refined the front fascia with sharper LED lighting, smoother aerodynamics, and a cleaner body shape that almost feels concept car ready. The pink finish makes every curve stand out, especially under showroom lighting. And notice how minimal everything is. No aggressive grills, no unnecessary lines, just pure aerodynamic efficiency. That simplicity isn't accidental. Tesla designs every panel to reduce drag, improve efficiency, and maximize driving range. But the real magic starts inside. The dashboard is incredibly minimalistic, yet it feels premium and futuristic at the same time. The large central touchscreen controls nearly everything: navigation, climate, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Tesla's interior philosophy is different from traditional automakers. Instead of filling the cabin with buttons, they focus on software-driven interaction and a clean user experience. The ambient lighting, soft-touch materials, and panoramic cabin layout create an atmosphere that feels closer to a luxury tech lounge than a normal car. And those seats? They're designed for long-distance comfort while maintaining Tesla's sleek modern aesthetic. Now, here's something most viewers never get to see under the hood. Unlike traditional gasoline vehicles, Tesla's engineering layout is incredibly organized and compact. You can see how the electric systems, cooling components, and power electronics are neatly integrated for maximum efficiency. This is where Tesla's manufacturing advantage becomes obvious. Every component placement is optimized not only for performance, but also for production speed and reliability. So, is the Tesla Model 3 Highland the future of automotive design? Honestly, it's hard to ignore how far Tesla has pushed electric vehicle engineering and manufacturing innovation. From the futuristic dashboard, to the luxury-inspired seating, to the highly optimized electric architecture, this car feels like a preview of the next generation of transportation. Would you drive this pink Tesla Model 3 Highland? Or would you choose a different color?